Man pretends to be disabled to rob store. A California man is on the run after pretending to be disabled in order to rob a Food 4 Less store in Santa Ana. Surveillance video shows the suspect entering the store at 2140 South Bristol Street just before 10 a.m. on September 18th. The suspect reportedly cased the store for about 15 minutes while roaming around in a motorized mobility scooter. He then got off the scooter, approached the store manager from behind, and put him in a headlock. After forcing the manager to the front office, the suspect ordered the manager and bookkeeper to fill his backpack with money. After the two complied, the suspect grabbed the manager by the arm and walked with him to his car parked outside. The suspect forced the manager to start his silver 2001 Toyota Echo, after which the robber got behind the wheel and drove off. The manager's vehicle is still missing. Detectives are asking the public's help in identifying the robbery suspect.
Get the Tomo News mobile phone app, uncut and uncensored. Search for Tomo News in the Apple App Store or Google Play, or see the links in the description of this video.